So today's video is going to be a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right here. This is a very nice gold and simple look for every single day, and this is featuring the song Gold by MILCK. Thank you so much to Atlantic Records for sponsoring this video. I really hope you enjoy the song that's going to be in the background. I'm not going to be talking about the makeup that I'm going to be doing, but I will be showing you what I'm using. Everything will also be listed down below in case you're interested in seeing what products that I use to create this look. But really the focus of this video is the song, and I really hope you enjoy the song. And before I get into it, I really hope you'll consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's get into this makeup tutorial.
Come on, look me in the eye. See everything that I survived. See my history is deep. That's what makes me me. And I'll do the same for you. Tell me about what you've been through. When we've been down in the mud, we know better than to judge. Don't mistake my confidence for arrogance. Don't mistake my self-respect for disrespect. Cause it took me years to turn these tears from water into gold. Yeah, I worked for it. I'm proud of it, darling, darling. Sorrow into both. Pain is beautiful. When it makes you grow, turn these tears to gold, gold. So don't mistake my confidence for arrogance. Don't mistake my self-respect for disrespect. Cause it took me years to turn these tears from water into gold. Yeah, I worked for it. I'm proud of it, darling, darling. Sorrow into bold. Pain is beautiful. When it makes you grow, tears to gold, gold. Sorrow into bold. Pain is beautiful. When it makes you grow, turn these tears to gold, gold. Turn these tears to gold, see everything that I survived. See my history is deep. That's what makes me me. Don't mistake my confidence for arrogance. Don't mistake my self-respect for disrespect. Cause it took me years to turn these tears from water into gold. Yeah, I work for it. I'm proud of it, darling, darling. Sorrow into bold. Pain is beautiful. When it makes you grow, turn these tears to gold. Sorrow into bold. Pain is beautiful. When it makes you grow, turn these tears to gold. 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 Come on, look me in the eye. See everything that I survived. See my history is deep. That's what makes me me. And I'll do the same for you. Tell me about what you've been through. When we've been down in the mud, we know better than to judge. Don't mistake my confidence for arrogance. Don't mistake my self-respect for disrespect. Cause it took me years to turn these tears from water into gold. Yeah, I worked for it. I'm proud of
you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of the look and the song. The song is so nice. I really like it. Thank you so much once again to Atlantic Records for sponsoring this video. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.